Oh, ooh. Oh man, I am so tired today. I went to sleep at like 1 a.m. yesterday, had a physics assessment to do. Oh, I'm just so tired. I feel like going back to sleep. Oh, I just realized I'm filming for my cooking show today. Oh, thank God, something exciting to do today. Oh, I cannot wait to do today's video. So I'm gonna see you guys in the kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Harmon's Cooking. Hope you guys are all well. The last 3 videos, I made chicken dishes. So I decided this week we cook something vegetarian. How about veggie fritters? Let's start. So the vegetables I have over here is fresh zucchini, spring onion, our lovely and colorful capsicum, and for our herbs, coriander. Now with these ingredients, we chop them up. As you can see here, I have finely chopped up the vegetables. As you can see here, nice and colorful. And you can chop the vegetables however you like, it just depends on you. Now I'm going to be adding in my corn. Creamy corn. One egg. Turmeric. Sweet chili sauce. Pepper. Salt. Mix the ingredients up together. Also, for the people who don't eat eggs, you can skip them if you like. And we're gonna add in flour. And just mix the ingredients up together. The aroma from those ingredients smells so good. And the color is amazing. This is the consistency and color we're looking here, guys. And now we're gonna add in our baking powder. And just mix the baking powder around with our vegetables. So I have my small fritter pan available with me, and I'm going to add in the fritter mix. Also, if you don't have the small fritter pans, you are allowed to make this into a normal pan. I will show you how to make that later on. And now we're going to put this fritter pan in the oven for 190 degrees Celsius for around 15-20 minutes. So I have the pan here on a low heat, and now we're going to add in cooking oil. Stir it around the pan. And we're going to add in our fritters. We want the fritters to be thin because if you keep it thick, then it won't cook properly in the middle. So we're going to keep it nice and thin. Oh, that sizzle. And we have to make sure that we cook the fritters on a slow heat, low heat. serving the fritters with tomato chutney, so I'll show you how to make it. So we're going to add in cooking oil, mustard seeds, finely chopped up garlic, onions, stir these around. So when the onions look golden like they are right now, we're going to add in diced tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are cooked like this, we're going to add in turmeric and stir it around. Add in vinegar, and sugar, salt, and pepper. Chutney is nearly ready, so now I'm going to add in our diced tomatoes. And freshly diced coriander. There are two different ways of serving the vegetarian fritter. One way is with the cheese phyllo, and the second way is with bacon. That's more of a brunch style. But right now I'm going to show you is how to make the cheese phyllo. So for our cheese phyllo, we have three different types of cheese. One cheese here we have is ricotta. The second one is Parmesan cheese, and the third is creamy cheese. Also we have sun-dried tomatoes and chopped up herbs with salt and pepper. Now, so guys, as you can see, the cheese looks like this with nice colors onto it. I have my 2 sheets of phyllo pastry, and I'm going to add in the cheese I mixed in. And spread in the butter on the sides. Phyllo in the oven for 10 minutes for 190 degrees Celsius. Now it's ready to be plated. So as you guys can see, I have completed the plating. This one is the veggie fritter which I made in the oven. With the cheese phyllo, and right here this is the vegetarian fritter I cooked on the pan with the bacon, which makes it into a brunch style. Guys, so let's taste it. Before tasting, let me explain to you what we have on this plate. So over here we have, on the round here, we have the tomato chutney we made earlier, and as you can see, the green stuff over here, that's actually avocado oil. It's really simple to make. All you need is avocado oil, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then blend them up together. Very easy. Okay, now I'm going to taste the fritter with the chutney I made. Oh, that is really nice. I can really taste the crunchy vegetables that are inside the fritter. Also, the fritter inside is soft, but outside is really crunchy. That's what makes a good fritter. And the chutney really goes well with the fritter too. Now we're going to taste our cheese phyllo I made. Oh, that crunchy sound. As you can see here, guys, the cheese is lovely, is blended out well with the sun-dried tomatoes, the herbs. It's a good taste. The cheese is melted very well. All three cheeses, beautiful taste. The crunchiness from the phyllo is beautiful too. It tastes wonderful. Man, you guys have to make this at home. Then you'll realize the taste from this cheese phyllo. Guys, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to share your experiences while making this dish with me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. And yeah, that's going to be it. Have a good day.